Puddles, Mackenzie, Mara, Echo, Coconut, Ember. Okay, so I'm the alpha female, and so there is no alpha male yet. No one has earned that yet. So that's just kind of awkward, because if there's only one alpha, then there's usually an alpha male. But in this case, it's just an alpha female. So yeah. Okay, so I'm the second to the alpha, even though I'm also a female. So I'm the second in line to be alpha if she ever, for any reason, is no longer the alpha. And we're all just the rest of the pack. So this has been our intro. So watch for our actual series. It should be soon, so just watch. Thanks for watching, and bye.